Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the cycle signal push to start button on your Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other Whirlpool dryers such as Maytag, Amana, Kenmore, and more. So let's get into it. If you need to purchase a new push to start switch for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. The cycle signal push-to-start switch has two key functions. The switch rotates to turn the cycle end buzzer on or off and also presses in to start the dryer cycle. If your switch fails, you may not be able to turn the cycle end signal on or off, or worse, won't be able to start your dryer cycle. Tools needed for this repair are a 1/4-inch nut driver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. If you need to move your dryer away from the wall, please disconnect the dryer vent hose on the rear of the machine. For this repair, we will need to remove the cycle signal knob. Pull the knob straight away from the control panel until it releases and then set it aside. To remove the rear panel behind the console, unscrew the 3 1/4-inch hex head fasteners on the bottom of the panel. Notice the rear panel mounting orientation before removing. We will talk more about this later in the video. Remove the final 1/4-inch screw from the top of the back panel and carefully lift the panel from the dryer and set aside. The cycle signal switch is located all the way on the left side of the control panel. To disconnect the wiring connectors, slowly apply a slight back and forth motion as you pull each one away from the switch. Since there are 2 connectors, you may want to snap a photo for later reference. Next, to remove the cycle signal switch, gently pull the switch away from the locking tab and rotate a 1/4 turn to release it. If you need assistance with the locking tab, you can use your finger or a small flathead screwdriver to gently lift the tab while you rotate the switch. If you need to purchase a new cycle signal push to start switch, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number on the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install your new cycle signal switch, align the front square on the switch with the square opening in the control panel and rotate the switch a 1/4 turn until the locking tab snaps into place. To reconnect the switch to the wiring connectors, insert the single wires plastic connector to the metal tab on the opposite side of the locking tab of the switch. Line up and connect the 3-wire connector to the switch and apply firm pressure to be sure both are seated against the switch. Now that your switch is installed, you can close up the control panel. The top of the rear panel has 2 cutout notches. Align the portion of the top panel between those 2 notches behind the upper lip of the control panel. The rest of the rear panel will install to the outside of the control panel. Attach the top screw to hold the panel in place. Being sure to align the 2 notches on the sides of the rear panel to the plastic tabs in the control panel, fasten the 3 screws in the bottom of the rear panel. Finally, reattach the knob by aligning the D-shaped opening on the knob to the D-shaped switch control arm. Once aligned, apply firm and direct pressure until the knob is fully seated in the original position. And that's it, you've completed the repair. We'd love to hear your success stories, so if there's any hints, tips, or tricks that you can leave for the next DIYer, throw them down in the comments. If this video has helped save you money on your repair, please consider hitting like and subscribe so it can reach more DIY people like you. I'm Dustin from Parts Doctor, and thanks for watching.